your pink reading book to page 158, 158쪽. One reading topic is called the Dust Devil. It sort of looks like this. And then the other one is Mirage. So you're a thirsty person at the desert, and then you're walking towards your destination, and then very, very far away from you, or very near from you, looks like a lake over there, oasis over there. But when you approach near, what happens, everybody? It disappears. What do you call it in Korean? Shiriru. Yeah, in English we call it a mirage, desert mirage. We're gonna watch a video about that pretty soon. And then one thing is called the solstice, and the summer solstice is called the Haji, and then the winter solstice is called the Dongji. Summer solstice is around June 21st, and then winter solstice is around December 22nd. And then, do you guys know what happens at Haji and Dongji, everybody? At Haji, what happens at Haji? The daytime?
In Dongji, 팥죽.
Yeah, at Haji, summer solstice, the daytime is the longest. So the sunset, please guess, what time do you think the sun is going to go down at a summer solstice, everybody?
7.
8. Yeah, 8. At 8, the sun is going to go down at Dongji, December 22nd. Please guess what time the sun is going to set.
2.
5. Very good. 5. Oh yeah. And then equinox is the Chunbun, everybody. And then at Chunbun, the daytime and then the nighttime, they're equal to each other. So daytime will be how many hours, everybody? 12 hours and 12 hours equally. So in what month of the year do you think equinox is going to happen? 몇 월 달에 일어날 것 같아? 춘분? 10월달. Very close. It's 3월달 and 9월달. Yeah, so 12 hours, equal daytime and equal nighttime. Okay, well, why does that happen? We're gonna see and watch through the video clip that we're gonna watch. Okay, so let's look at the Dust Devil first, everybody. Okay, yeah.
It came out of left field.
Oh yeah, so why does the Dust Devil happen? One day it happened at a baseball field. Yeah.
It came out of left field, literally. A dust devil delayed this college softball game for a short time. So how do they form?
Why do they
Normally,
form?
under clear, calm conditions, the sun can...
When it's really sunny, yeah, the sun heats one part of the ground, not all parts of the ground, but one particular ground is going to be really heated up because of the sun.
heat up one part of the ground faster than others. Air begins to rise over this hot spot.
Oh, then because the hot spot, the wind, the air is going to rise up.
Pressure's lower and nearby air begins to spiral in. This
And
column
then there's going to be a spiral motion.
stretches upward, intensifying the spinning motion.
Oh.
Winds increase and swirl around the low pressure. The
Pick up the dust and it's going to become the dust
swirling
devil.
air can pick up dust and dirt, giving you a dust devil.
Oh yeah, let's look at another woman. She's a Texas woman. And then she was just like walking near her neighborhood.
Don't blink or you'll miss it. A security camera captured this bizarre but brief weather episode in San
Dust
Antonio.
devil is following
Leslie
her.
Holt was
Wow, she
momentarily
was
trapped
completely
by a
caught up
dust
in the
devil
dust
while
devil.
walking to her
And then it instantly
car.
disappeared.
She said she felt a gust of wind, and quote, "The rest is history."
Suddenly,
Holt kept walking, and the rush of hot air and whirling dust
hot
dissipated
air
just as quickly as it
surrounding
arrived.
her, catching her
harm,
in the middle of
no
it.
foul.
No harm, but it was not too harmful, yeah, because it's kind of small, right? That's called the dust devil. And then second one is, I don't know. Second one is called the desert mirage. Mirage is 신기루. Let's say, yeah, you saw it? You went to a desert? Anyone visited a desert before? No? The shorts. You visited a desert? Sliding? Wow, desert. In which country did you go to the desert? Saudi Arabia, Egypt. Wow. Where did you go? Mongolia, wow. Well, so let's say that you visited the desert and then you're really thirsty and then it seems like, wow, there's like a lake over here, oasis over here. Oh, let's go to it. Let's run over there.
Ever seen a lake in the middle of a desert? This cyclist is on a journey through a scorching desert. Suddenly, he spots something miraculous. A lake. A gleaming body of water shimmers ahead, promising a cool refuge.
Oh, it looks like a lake. Let's go over there.
Driven by hope, he pedals faster, desperate to reach the water. The closer he gets, the more the lake seems to vanish. What he sees is not a lake at all, but a classic desert mirage.
It was not a lake, it was a mirage.
A mirage happens when the hot desert ground heats the air above it, bending light rays. This creates...
Oh, the sun is going to heat the sand, heat the ground. Then it's going to bend the sunlight. So something that is far away
And it
looks
is
really
from
close
window?
to you. Yeah, also the sun is going to reflect the sky. So it looks like the sky is kind of blue, right? The sky is gonna appear at the bottom, so people mistake it for a lake.
the illusion of water by reflecting the sky on the ground. In the vast
Finally got
expanse
to
of
the
the
lake!
desert,
Oh my god,
it's
I'm
easy to be
gonna
fooled. Next time you see a
splash into
mirage,
the
you'll
water,
know...
but it was not
Oh,
water.
it's just nature's
It was
illusion.
just,
Have you ever seen...
desert? Okay. Yeah. Oh, let's learn about the solstice. What was summer solstice and winter solstice in Korean?
What is so
Hajidongji. Yeah, summer solstice and winter solstice. Okay. Yeah. Why do we have seasons?
Have you ever wondered why seasons change?
Why do we have 4 seasons? Spring, summer, fall, and winter.
Why are some months freezing cold while others are warm and sunny? Most of us know that the Earth revolves around the sun in an orbit,
Oh, so our Earth revolves around the sun.
but Earth's orbit isn't a perfect circle.
If it's a perfect circle, then the amount of sunlight that we're gonna get is always gonna be the same. Well, why do we have the season?
It's slightly elliptical.
Actually, the orbit is not a complete circle. Yeah, it's an oval. It's elliptical. 살짝 타원형이야. So sometimes here we are closer to the sun, and then at the opposite side we are far away from the sun.
Which causes the Earth to be closer
여기서는 가깝잖아.
to the sun during certain times of the year and
Here it's farther.
farther away at others. So, you might think it's simple. When Earth is closer to the sun, it's summer, and when it's farther, it's winter.
Winter.
But that's not what actually happens.
근데 그게 그렇게 거리 차이가 많이 나는 게 아니거든?
Even though Earth's orbit is slightly oval-shaped, the difference in distance is only about 3%.
차이가 3%밖에 안 나거든? 그렇다고 해서 summer, winter가 그렇게 막 갈리나?
This small difference isn't enough to cause significant changes
There is another real reason for the seasonal
in
changes.
temperature. So, what actually causes seasons to change? Actually, Earth doesn't just revolve around the sun, it also spins on its axis.
그냥 돌기만 하는 게 아니라 지 혼자 돌아. 지 혼자 돌면서 예를 들어서 선생님이 지구라고 쳐봐. 그러면은 내가 예를 들어서 다나가 선이야. 그러면 내가 다나 주위를 이렇게 돌아. 그런데 이게 공전이야. 이게 문전이야. 근데 이렇게 얌전하게 돌까? 아니야. 자전하면서 이러면서 도는 거야. 오케이? 지금 is get the idea. 그래서 지 혼자 막 미친 것처럼 막 돌면서 하는 거야.
An imaginary line running through the
근데 when I revolve around myself, there is an axis. 축이 있어요. 근데 이 축이 반듯할까? No.
north and south poles. It's tilted at an angle of around
오, 그러니까 내가 이렇게 도는 것도 아니고 살짝 내가 이렇게 해가지고 이렇게 도는 거예요. 그쵸?
23.5 degrees. And that's the real reason we experience seasons. As Earth orbits the sun, the tilt causes different parts of the planet to lean toward or
그래서 약간 그 축이 이쪽으로 when the axis is tilted toward the sun, very, 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 very hot. 그치?
away from the sun at different times of the year. When a hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, it experiences summer with longer days because it receives more direct sunlight. Meaning,
근데 when the axis is tilted the other way, 다른 쪽으로 기울어진 채로 돌면은 그럴 때는 we experience the winter time.
It
Yeah.
sounds roasting.
Roasting. Yeah.
What time is when the earth 한 바퀴?
한 바퀴 도는 거 1년. 그러면 이건 뭐야? 내가 지 혼자 한 바퀴 도는 거는 뭐야? 뭐, 1일! 맞아! 내가 지 혼자 한 바퀴 도는 거는 1일! 한 바퀴 크게 도는 거는 1년. That's right. Okay. Solstice. Let's watch another one.
It's almost time for a very special day.
Special
Can you guess
day.
why?
Can you guess why?
No, it's not my birthday. Guess again. No, it's not the day of the big parade either. It's the longest day of the year.
Longest
and it's the
daytime.
first official day of summer. There are lots of days that might seem like your birthday or a long days of the year. It's up the summer solstice. And when it happens, it's officially summer. Have you ever noticed that in the winter, it gets dark pretty early? It's
winter time에는 금방 검해지잖아, 그치?
around the sun one time. And while it's moving around the sun, Earth is also spinning around in place around an imaginary line that we call the axis. The Earth's axis runs up and down right through
The axis kind of tilted,
the
기울어져
North
있어요.
Pole and the South Pole. One turn
I don't think we have to watch another one because you guys understood it pretty well. Well, let's move on to the vocabulary, everybody. Oh yeah, it's about the dust devil and then the summer solstice. Yeah, reading vocabulary. Yeah, there it is. Okay.
Suck up.
Suck up. 빨아들이다, 흡수하다. Very good. 빨아들이다. Suck up.
Image.
이미지는 이미지지, 그치?
Mirage.
Mirage. 신기루. Very good. Mirage. 신기루.
Appear.
Appear. 나타나다, 보이다. 나타나다.
Mistaken for.
Mistaken for.
실수를 하지 않.
So the desert is mistaken for an oasis. 뭐뭐로 오해받다. Yeah, mistaken for 오해받다.
Tilt.
Tilt. 기울다. Tilt. 기울다.
Solstice.
Solstice.
자전 공전?
아니.
우와 가장
하지 또는 동지. Solstice. 하지 또는 동지. Solstice.
Toward.
뭐뭐를 향해서 I'm tilted toward the sun. 뭐뭐 쪽으로. Opposite. 반대 위.
Neither.
Neither.
부모는 아닌
뭐뭐도 아닌.
Nor.
nor도 똑같은 거야.
Equinox.
Equinox.
동지 해지
춘분. What was equinox, everybody? Please explain this concept. When when the daytime and the nighttime is equal to each other. Equinox.
Take place.
Take place.
자리 잡다
자리 잡다.
개최되다 몸에서 개최되다
The war took place in Denmark.
개최되다
일어나다, 개최되다. Very good. Take place, 일어나다, 발생하다.
Occur.
발생하다, same thing. Take place and occur is the same thing. Let's go to self-test.
Suck up.
Suck up.
빨아들이다
Remember, suck up. Okay.
Image.
Image는 이미지. Yeah.
Mirage.
Mirage. Remember that. Mirage.
Appear.
나타나다. Appear is easy.
Mistaken for.
몸으로 오해받다
오해받다. 이서우 was really handsome, so he was
차은우.
mistaken for 차은우.
Don't say that word to child.
Yeah.
Don't curse.
Yeah. Yuha was so pretty. So she was walking on the street one day, and then
Karina.
somebody tapped her on the back. Hey! Are you Winter from Aespa?
Newton.
And so Hazel was mistaken for Winter. Yeah.
Don't say it.
mistaken for
Tilt.
오해받다. Tilt.
몸으로 쪽으로
기울다. Remember that tilt? I was tilted. Tilt. Okay.
Solstice.
동지 또는
지점
동지 또는 하지. Remember that solstice. Yeah.
Toward.
뭐뭐
몸 쪽으로
쪽으로. Toward. Running toward you. running towards you. Toward.
Opposite.
Opposite. This is easy. Opposite. Opposite. Opposite.
Neither.
Neither.
모모도
neither 이거 너무 쉽다.
Equinox.
동아 모모도 아니다.
춘분.
동아
이게
모모도 아니다.
여기 it can happen in the spring or in the fall. Remember that equinox.
Take place.
Take place.
일어나다. 발생하다.
나 2번 해야 돼, 7번 해야 돼.
2번.
2번. Okay, I'm gonna trust you. Take place. Remember that. Take place.
Occur.
Take place. Take place. 발생하다. Occur.
I was.
Lowest score.
Nor. Take place.
일어나. You need to trust me.
Okay, sorry. Okay. 빨라들이다. Suck up. Your vacuum cleaner sucking up the air. Suck up.
Suck up.
Okay. Image. Okay.
Image.
Mirage. Very good. Mirage. Oh yeah.
Mirage.
나타나다.
Appear.
Thank you.
Appear.
Oh yeah. 김나예 was mistaken for Karina.
Mistaken for.
Cute.
Tilt.
Tilt.
Karina.
Tilt.
Tilt. Okay. Solstice. Summer solstice. Winter solstice.
Solstice.
쪽으로. Toward. Yeah, I'm running toward the school. I'm late. Toward. Opposite. Thank you. Opposite. Okay, 뭐뭐도 아니다.
Neither. Nor.
Okay. Equinox. Thank you. Equinox. 일어나는 그 전에 take place. Thank you. Take place. 그 다음에
Take
일어나다.
place.
Occur.
Occur.
We're done with it. Okay. Let's do the dust devils and mirage. Okay. So let's pick up our highlighter and a pen. Okie dokie. Dust devils and mirages. Deserts are extremely hot and dry, so unusual things sometimes happen in them. 사막은 극도로 뜨겁고 건조하기 때문에 특이한 현상들이 일어납니다. Okay. Dust devils, for example, look like tornadoes, but they usually happen on sunny days. Dust devil은요, 예를 들어서 토네이도처럼 생겼어요. 그렇지만 그들은 되게 sunny days, 되게 햇빛이 쨍쨍한 날에 일어나게 됩니다. They are made of spinning air that sucks up sand. 얘네들은요, 왜 일어나냐면요, 모래를 빨아들이는 회오리 공기 때문에, spinning air, 막 휘몰아치는 공기 때문에 일어납니다. Although dust devils can be 10 meters wide, they are usually harmless. 보통은 한 10m 정도 너비를 가지고 있는데요. 보통은 해를 끼치지 않아요. 그렇게 걱정할 필요는 없다라고 합니다. Let's move on to the mirage. Desert mirages are caused by hot air. 신기루는요, 뜨거운 공기 때문에 일어나는데요. The heat causes images to appear lower than they are. 왜 일어나냐면요, 원인이 있어요. 그 뜨거운 열기가요, 실제 존재하는 이미지를, 예를 들어서 하늘의 이미지야. 근데 그거를 빛을 굴절시켜서 아래에 보이게 만드는 거야. 이미지를 보이게 만드는데 실제보다 아래에 보이게 만듭니다. Mirages often look like shiny blue objects in the distance. 그래서 이 mirage는요, 신기루는요, 반짝반짝 빛나는 하늘색 그런 물체처럼 보여요. 되게 멀리 떨어져 있는, 그쵸? Although they're actually light from the sky, people think they're lakes.
I cannot hear.
What is this funny?
I know, right? 아, 그래서 얘네들은 사실 하늘로부터 온 빛인데요. 사람들은 그것들이 호수라고 잘못 생각을 하는 것이죠. Oh yeah, we are going to do the 요리학 over here, everybody. 자, 그러면은 이제 첫 번째는 dust, devil에 대해서 한번 이야기를 나눴었죠. 그래서 얘네들은 토네이도 같이 생김, 그치? 토네이도 같이 생김, 그치? 근데 보통은 쨍쨍한 날에 이제 발생을 합니다. 왜 그러냐면은요, 돌아가는 spinning air가 뭐를 하냐면은 이 모래를 흡입해요. 모래를 빨아들입니다. 그치? 근데 보통은 해롭지가 않다라고 했어요. 자, 그러면은 dust devil에 대해서 해보고 그 다음에 신기루 mirage에 대해서 한번 해보도록 하겠습니다. mirage 같은 경우는 왜 일어나냐면은 뜨거운 공기 때문에 일어납니다. 그래서 이 열기가 사실은 위에 있는 이미지를 실제보다 아래에 보이게 만든다라고 하네요. 오, 오키도키. 그쵸? 그래가지고 이제 하늘의 빛인데 그냥 하늘의 빛을 사람들이 잘못 착각해가지고 이게 호수가 아니냐 이렇게 생각을 한다라고 합니다. 오케이. 그러면 next one. Solstice and then the equinoxes. We're gonna learn about these concepts as well. Okay, solstices and equinoxes. All right, let's go. Okay. As the Earth spins, it also tilts. 지구가 회전을 할 때요, 얘는 살짝 기울어집니다. The summer solstice occurs when the Earth tilts as far toward the sun as possible. 근데 summer solstice는 하지인데요. 하지는 일어나요. 언제 일어나냐면은 지구가 기울어져 있을 때. Far toward the sun as possible. 최대한 태양 가까이, towards는 가까이야. 태양 가까이 기울어져 있을 때 그때 하지가 발생합니다. 하지란 뭐냐면 This is the shortest night of the year. 그러면은 하지에는 밤 시간이 어떻게 되냐면은요. 밤 시간이 제일 짧아져요. 놀기에 진짜 좋겠다. 그치? Okay. So when the earth tilts in the opposite direction. 근데 반대 방향으로 earth가 기울어지면은 어떻게 될까요? 이것은 it's the winter solstice, the longest night of the year. 그러면은 동지가 되는 거죠. 동지는요 밤이 제일 길어요. 그렇죠? 그래서 춥고 그렇죠? 놀기에 좋지가 않아요. 자, let's move on to the second concept. Okay, twice a year, the earth tilts neither toward nor away from the sun. 1년에 2번 있는 일인데요. 지구가요, sun에 이렇게 막 기울어져 있지도 않고 멀리 떨어져 있지도 않고 딱 이렇게 바로 서 있을 때가 딱 2번 있습니다, 여러분. 그쵸? 얘는 neither toward nor away from the sun. 가까이도 멀지도 않고 딱 중간에 있을 때가 있어요. 이거를 뭐라고 하냐면은 this is known as the equinox. 이것을 바로 춘분이라고 합니다. And it happens in September and March. 그리고 이거는 9월달과 3월달에 발생하죠. On the equinox, there is exactly 12 hours of darkness and 12 hours of daylight. 그래서 춘분에는요, 어두움이 밤이 12시간, 그리고 낮이 12시간. Exactly the same 이라고 합니다. 오, 좋아요. 그러면은, 자, 일단은 요약을 한번 해보도록 할게요. 자, 그러면은, 하지는 언제 일어나냐면요, 지구가 기울어져 있을 때 일어나는 거죠. 근데 sun에 최대한 가깝게 태양을 향해서 태양을 향해서 기울어져 있을 때 됩니다. 그렇죠? 그러면은 이제 낮이 제일 길어. 그리고 밤이 제일 짧다라는 걸 알 수가 있겠지? 그러면은 반대로 동지는 어떻게 될까? 동지는 기울어져 있는데 기울기가 멀리 최대한 away from the sun 그럴 때 그쵸? 그러면 반대겠죠. 낮이 제일 짧고 그리고 밤이 제일 길어지는 거겠죠. 자 그러면 마지막 3번으로 가가지고 춘분에 대해서 한번 알아보도록 할게요. 자 그러면은 equinox 춘분은 총 2번 일어나요. 총 2번 일어나는데 3월하고 9월에 일어납니다. 언제 그 얘 같은 경우에는요. 낮하고 밤이 길이가 똑같다. 낮하고 밤이 길이가 똑같다라는 거죠, 여러분. Oh yeah, I want to talk about it in 1 minute. Dust devil and the mirage and the solstice equinox. There's kind of a lot to cover. Yeah, but we can all do it because our understanding is very good. Okay, dust devil. So the teacher is gonna go ahead. Please look at my finger, everybody. Okay. 자, 선생님 finger 보고 있죠? 좋아요. Everybody's looking at my finger. So the first reading passage was about the dust devil. It kind of looks like a tornado. It usually happens on a sunny day. So the spinning air is going to suck up all the sand. Well, it's not really harmful. Let's move on to the mirage. Mirage happens because of hot air. Because of the heat, the image that is above, it looks lower than they actually are. So usually, 이거는 뺄게요. 하늘비 토수 이거는 빼도록 할게요. Okay, let's move on to the second reading passage. Second reading passage was about the solstice. Summer solstice happens because the earth is tilted toward the sun. So during the summer solstice, the daytime is the longest and then the nighttime is the shortest. What about the winter solstice? The earth is tilted away from the sun. Opposite happens. What about equinox? It happens twice a year in March and September. The daytime and the nighttime are equal, exactly equal to each other. Okay, 좋아요. 그러면은 우리가 it's our turn to practice all together. The first one is about the first reading passage is about the dust devil all together. Ready, set, start. The first reading passage was about the dust devil. It looks like a tornado. It usually happens on a sunny day. It happens because a spinning air sucks up all the sand. Usually it's not very harmful. Also, mirage happens because of hot air. The heat is gonna make the image on top look lower than they actually are. Okay, so let's go to the second reading passage. It was about the solstice. The summer solstice happens because the earth is tilted toward the sun. So in the summer solstice, the daytime is the longest and nighttime is the shortest. What about the winter solstice? In winter solstice, the earth is tilted away from the sun. Here, the nighttime is the longest. What about equinox? Equinox happens twice a year in March and September, and daytime and the nighttime are exactly the same. Okay. 뜨거운 공기. 이미지가 뜨거운 공기 때문에 이미지가 더 아래로 보임. 좋아요. I want to pick some people for the volunteer. 연주, Madonna, Ella. Okay, Elliot. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Why you always
Okay.
think Donna?
현주. Okay, 현주. Okay, so 현주 loudly and other people softly, someone whisper. Okay, the reading passage is about dust devil. Ready, set, start.
The medium passage is about dust devils. The dust devil is like a tornado and a sunny day.
Spinning air.
Spinning air soaks up the sand, but it isn't harmful.
Uh-huh.
It
Let's talk of the mirage.
A mirage.
Uh,
A mirage is made of hot air
uh-huh.
and it
Makes the
makes the
image
lower.
look lower.
Lower.
Yeah. Okay.
Jessica Princess is about solstice.
Uh-huh.
A summer solstice is
Happens because your
because
the
Earth
earth
is
tilted toward the
the
sun.
sun.
Uh-huh.
The
Daytime
daytime is longest.
longest.
And
Winter solstice
winter solstice
happens because it's tilted away from the sun. Take a corner candy. Very good. Okay. So this time, this is random pick. Random pick, everybody. Random pick. 자, 연습하고 계세요. 다 같이. The first reading passage is about dust devil. All together. Ready, set, start.
The first reading passage is about this devil. The dust devil is like a tornado. In sunny day, a spinning earth soaks up the earthful.
Dana. Dana is very lucky. Lucky seven. Okay. Dana talk loudly and other people so good whisper. If you don't whisper, don't move your lips.
-10.
-2. Okay, -2. Okay, so the first reading passage is about the step. Donna talk, other people whisper. Ready, set, start.
The reading passage is about the dust and it is about the devil. It happens in when it's very sunny. The air is very hot and it's a the space is not very long. There is
It makes the image look lower than it is. Let's move on to the summer solstice. Summer solstice happens because Earth is tilted
toward the sun and the daytime
is the longest.
The
Winter solstice happens because the Earth is tilted away from the sun. The nighttime is the longest. What about the equinox? Equinox happens twice a year in March and September. Here, daytime and nighttime are equal to each other. Oh, so Dana did it. We all helped Dana. Very beautiful. Dana, take a coin or a candy. Very good. Okay. Yeah, now let's start solving the problems.